at the beautiful interior work done for your reference over here in front of the kitchen, and this is the kitchen area. This is your huge bed space. So here's your bed space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Sattva Spring, which is located off Kanakpura Road in Bangalore, a project developed by Sattva Group. And today we are here to check out their 4 BHK plus 1 basement row house. But before moving further, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So we are here, actual land parcel where the construction work is in progress. And now about the marketing office, which is right here. We'll be getting all the information and your salesperson will guide you about the location and the details of the project. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project. So the project is spread across 5.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 blocks, where one block is for clubhouse. And they are coming up with 66 row houses in this project. Each row houses is of 1 basement, ground plus 2 floors, having all the 4 BHK row houses. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you luxurious amenities like of 28,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, infinity pool, kids play area, sitting pavilion, garden area, gymnasium and many more. Now coming to the location part, and the project is located off Kanakpura Road in Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road over the side will take you towards Nice Ring Road in just few meters. Now about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to Jnana Sagar Academy of Technology and Management in just 2 minutes. Art of Living is 4 minutes away. Nice Ring Road is just 10 minutes away. Easy connectivity to Banerghatta in 20 minutes, and even you can reach Mysore Road in 20 minutes. Electronic City is 30 minutes away from the project. Even you can reach to major school and colleges in 10 minutes. Major hospitals are within 10 minutes from the project, and even you can connect to major IT hub within 30 to 35 minutes from the project. So this is your 4 BHK row house plus 1 private basement of 5,236 square feet super built up area. And here we start from the great elegant entrance. They have added up a staircase over here. So once you climb up the stairs, here's the great entrance. The grand entrance. Once you enter, you can have a look at the living area. You can also have a look at the beautiful interior work done for your reference over here. You can add up your own couches, your sofa set right here in the living area. Now, this is the open courtyard with anti-skid flooring, and even you can add up your chair, table and a couches and enjoy a sip of coffee with a beautiful scenic view. Now let's move further towards your kitchen and the dining area. So right here you can add up your kitchen area and the dining area. So the kitchen area is just behind me, and this is the dining area, which is much more spacious. You can even add up a long 8 to 10 seater of dining table right in front of the kitchen, and this is the kitchen area with the platform, the cabinets, and you can have a look at the interior as well, which is done for your reference, which has its own connecting utility area, which comes with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and it doesn't end over here. It is basically L-shaped utility area for your storage and the cabinets. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So just follow me. Basically on the ground floor, they are providing you with 1 bedroom. And your bedroom number 1 is right over here. So it has a small foyer area for your privacy. And once you enter, this is your beautiful royal bedroom, and you can have a look at the spacious bed space, which has this walk-in wardrobe as well with connecting washroom. With anti-skid tile, CP sanitary fitting and the shower glass partition as well. Here you can add up your dressing table as well, the dressing area. And once you move out from here, here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. and where you can add up a sitting area with a couch. This bedroom has a connecting private balcony as well, with anti-skid flooring and toughened glass railing. And again, you can have a look at the space over here. Now let's move further and check out the rest of the house. So even on the ground floor, they are providing you with the powder room, which is right over here. Let's have a look at the powder room. With anti-skid flooring. So they are even providing you with the lift area over here in the center of the house, and this is the ceiling height over here. You can have a look, which opens towards the roof. Now we'll be moving further towards your floor number 1 and we'll take the staircase. Here's the marble staircase, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, a toughened glass railing as well. Now this is your floor number 1. Once you enter, let me show you. This is the toughened glass railing and the open roof space, which gives you perfect lighting. And this floor welcomes you with a puja space right on the right hand side. Now it has a family lounge area where you can have a family and friends get together, where you can add up your couches, your sofa set and even TV unit. This is your balcony, which is connected to your family lounge space with anti-skid flooring and toughened glass railing. A spacious balcony. Now this floor has 2 bedrooms. Your bedroom number 2 is right over here, which comes with a foyer area again and the wooden flooring. So this is the wooden flooring, and once you enter, you can recognize that this is the kids' bedroom with a beautiful interior work done for your reference, with a bed space over here, study table is added over here, and a beautiful huge balcony. So you can have a look at the huge balcony with anti-skid flooring. Even they have added up a swing over here with toughened glass railing as well. Now this side is your closet area, and you can have a look at the closet area right here. This wardrobe space is much more spacious, and this bedroom has its own private washroom as well. So here's the private washroom area with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 3, which is right here, and this is the bedroom. Once you enter this bedroom, you can have a look with the wooden flooring, the huge master bed over here. Here's a space where you can add up your couches or your work table, your study table if it is your kids' room basically. And here this side is the attached private balcony with anti-skid flooring and toughened glass railing. This bedroom even comes with the walk-in wardrobe right over this side. So here's the walk-in wardrobe, and which is attached to your washroom as well, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. Additionally, the shower glass partition is provided over here. Now let's move further to check the rest of the house. But before moving further, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with its sample villa, sample raw villa and even sample flight tour with pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. So register quickly on www.housey.com for free site visit. And now let's move further towards your next floor, that is your floor number 2. So again, we'll be taking the staircase. You can have a look over here. There's ample of lighting coming out from the window with the toughened glass. So now welcome to floor number 2. So here's the space for your elevator. And basically, this floor has your private terrace area and the master bedroom. So let's enter towards the master bedroom first. And this is the grand entrance for your master bedroom. Once you enter from this foyer area, this is your huge bed space. So here's your bed space where you can add up your bed. And they have plus added up the jhula over here. You can even add up your work table. It has the walk-in wardrobe right here, which is connected to your private washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about the balcony part. So your balcony is right over this side with anti-skid tiles and toughened glass railing. Now this master bedroom doesn't end here. So let me take you to your private terrace area. So this is your private terrace area which comes up with this master bedroom, and you can have a look at this beautiful space with anti-skid flooring. And here you can add up your dining area like this, your bar counter where you can have a perfect family and friends get together. So you can have a look at the space. Now, what about your common terrace area? So exactly, they have even provided the common terrace area right here. So it comes with again the anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and it is basically in L shape. They have even provided one storage room right over here. So this side will be the storage room. Now the mystery, as this row house comes with a mystery area, it doesn't end here. We are going towards the basement area. So just follow me and we'll go towards the basement. So this time we'll be taking the elevator to go down. So now we'll be moving towards your basement. So now this is your basement level. Now let me show you what surprise they have on the basement level. So basically, here's the home theater. Once you enter, you can check out, they have just made up this. So they have just made up here the Bollywood wall. And you can have a look at the space over here. You can use this room in a multi-purpose way, which comes up with wooden finishing flooring. Even they have provided 2 windows for ventilation and lighting purpose in this room. So you can have a look from each and every angle. It is much more spacious. Now let me take you towards the rest of the basement area. So here's the storage space. You can add up your own storage over here. Now even the basement level doesn't end here. So basically, it is connected to your parking area. And they are providing you with 4 car parking facilities. Here's the 2 car parking facilities, and beside this wall comes the 2 car parking facilities. Even it is connected to your servant room. And here's your servant room, which comes with private washroom as well, with anti-skid floorings and CP sanitary fittings. So this was all about your 4 BHK plus 1 basement row house at this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.